Are you tired of leads slipping through the cracks and valuable opportunities going cold because you're drowning in manual follow-ups? Well, in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to set up automated follow-up camping in Zapier, so you can nurture leads, engage customers, and ensure timely communication, all while you're out enjoying nature, or just not glued to your inbox. First, log into your Zapier account and create a new Zap. Select the app that will trigger your follow-up sequence. For example, if you want to follow up with new leads from your CRM, choose your CRM app and select the trigger event, like new lead or new contact. Next, add a delay step. This is crucial for pacing your follow-up sequence. Choose the delay until or delay for option and set the desired time interval before the first follow-up email is sent. Consider how much time do you want to pass after the trigger before reaching out. Now, add an action step to send your first follow-up email. Select your email marketing app, like Gmail or MailChimp, and choose the Send Email Action. Fill in the subject line, body, and recipient fields. Use data from your trigger to personalize the email. For example, use the lead's first name in the greeting. This is where the camping comes in. To avoid bothering people who've already responded, add a filter step. This will check for a specific condition, such as whether the lead has replied to your email. If they have, the Zap will stop. If not, it moves on to the next step. To continue your follow-up sequence, add another delay step for a longer interval, followed by another action step to send your second follow-up email. Repeat this process as many times as needed to create a complete follow-up sequence, always using filters to prevent over-communication. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Now, your automated follow-up camping sequence is ready to go. You can relax knowing that your leads are being nurtured and valuable opportunities aren't being missed. So go ahead, set up your Zapier follow-up camping and reclaim your time, because automation is the best adventure buddy you'll ever have.